Good morning, my name is Mark and today pag-uusapan natin ang Facebook marketing strategy and isa sa mga strategy na yun is joining group. Ito yung isa sa gusto kong strategy na always kong ginagawa or araw-araw kong ginagawa. So, matutunan natin dito kung paano mag-search and mag-join sa groups, paano mag-post ng advertisements on groups wall, ilang groups ba dapat pang salihan natin per day, ilang post ba ang ilalagay natin in a group per day, and how many groups that we need to visit or open para mapag-post tayo na advertisement per day. Okay? So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking Facebook account which I use to promote SWA or Supreme Health Alliance using groups or on groups page. So yung first na ituturo ko is paano ba mag-search ng group. Okay, so sa taas may makikita kang box like search for people, places, and things. So i-type mo lang dyan yung name ng group na nasa isip mo. Kunwari, let's look for a group or search for a group ng mga OFW in Saudi or in Hong Kong. So OFW in Hong Kong. Okay. So i-click mo tong mag-define icon on this part para mag-display yung results. So, click on this one. Okay, so on the left hand side may makikita ng search filters. Click on groups. So, walang group na may pangalang OFW in Hong Kong. So, let's try OFW in Japan or Saudi. Again, click on the magnifying glass icon and click on groups again. So, unfortunately, isa lang ang group na may kapangalang OFW in Saudi. So, let's try places here in Philippines. Let's try Manila. Oops, medyo mabagal. Okay, click on this icon again. And then click on groups. Okay, so ito yung list ng results na may groups na may pangalang Manila. So, tip lang, join groups na may members 100 above. Like this one, may 1,164 members. Join this one, Manila Yard and Sale. So, para makapag-join tayo, right click on this, yung name. Oops, naghang na naman siya. Right click on the name of the group, then open on new tab or in a new tab. So once na open mo siya in a new tab, go to this part of the window. Hanapin mo yung join group, click on it, post here, then i-open mo yung ibang sinalihan mo na group, join group. So once na-approve na ng admin yung request mo, mano-notify ka, makakatanggap ka ng notification like this one. Which one? There. So, Terry, like this one, Terry approved your request to join OCNHS. Or, which one? Ito, Adrian Midland approved your request to join Pinoy Team OFW. Now, paano naman mag-post ng advertisement sa group? So, let's go back to our homepage. And then, let's go back to the list of groups na nasalihan na natin. So, again, go back sa homepage. Pakita ko lang ulit sa inyo. Dito sa left-hand side, may makita kang groups. Tapos, sa baba niyan, yung list ng mga groups na sinalihan mo. So, try natin mag-post like here, OFW memories. All you have to do is write something like gusto mo bang kumita ng extra income, add a photo, yung nakaka-attract na photo like this one. So basically yung tinuro ko sa wall posting, ganun lang din ang gagawin mo sa pag-post ng advertisement sa group page. So if hindi mo pa napanood yun, then I suggest go back to tutorial number 1, which is Facebook wall posting. Kasi yung steps on how to do a wall posting ay parehas lang dito sa Facebook group posting. Okay? So, let's go back to the slide. Now, natutunan natin kung paano mag-search and mag-join on groups, mag-post ng advertisements on group walls. And then now, question is, how many groups to join per day? Basically, ang ginagawa ko dito, nag-join ako ng around 15 to 20 groups per day. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na sa isang time, within that time, mag-join ako ng 20 groups. Iwasan po natin mangyari yun kasi pag nag-join ka in 1 hour in 20 groups in same time, pagkakamalan ka ng Facebook na isa kang spammer and gagawin nila, ibablock nila yung account mo. So, gawin mo, i-divide mo siya in 3 or in 2, meaning paggising mo, if you have an internet connection, go ahead and add like 10 groups in the morning, then 10 groups in the evening. So that's 20 groups per day. Next is, how many post in, okay, ito sa yung next. How many post in a group per day? Ilan yung ipopost mo sa group page per day? So, limit it into 1 post per day or per group. Kasi pag nag-post ka ng more than 1 in a group in a day, mangyayari niyan pagkakamalan ka na ng spammer ng mga admin ng groups and i-report ka sa Facebook na isa kang spammer. And once mayroon ka ng nakatanggap ka na ng maraming reklamo from other Facebook user, gagawin ng Facebook, ibaban ka or ibablock yung account mo. So, just limit to 1 post in a group in a day. So, next is how many groups you visit and post advertisement per day. Pag marami ka na ng groups like on my account, medyo marami na yung groups ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung list. So, you see, nasa 100 groups na to ngayon. And, ginagawa ko, let's go back here. How many groups you'll visit and post advertisement per day. Ginagawa ko rin mga 10 to 20 groups ang ino-open ko per day. Pero depende yan kung ilan na yung groups na nasalihan mo. Kung marami na, then you can do 10 to 20. If konti pa lang, like around 50 or more than below 50 pa yung groups na nasalihan mo, then open like 5 to 10 groups per day muna. Pag marami na, then you can do 10 to 20 groups per day. So, tip pala, so ganito, marami ka ng groups na nasalihan. Yung nasa taas na groups, list of groups, meaning yan yung pinaka-latest na inopen mo or latest na nakapag-post ka na advertisement. So, gagawin mo everyday. Kunwari ako kinabukasan, ang gagawin ko, magsisimula ulit ako sa pinakababa. Ito yung mga groups na i-open ko bukas para mag-post ako ng advertisement. Kasi ito yung mga groups na matagal ko nang hindi na-open. Pag matagal mo nang hindi na-open yan, tendency niyan, yung post mo baka wala na or natabunan na ibang post ng members. So, balik ka ulit, tingnan mo lang kung yung post mo ay nasa taas pa or kung wala na, post ka ulit ng mga advertisement. Okay? So, I believe that's it. And I hope na may mga natutunan kayo sa video tutorial na to. And I hope na gagamitin nyo to sa pag-promote ng inyong business para makahanap kayo ng referrals. For sure, may magtatanong, pag gagawin nyo tong strategy na to araw-araw, for sure, may magtatanong sa inyo kung ano yung business na pinopromote nyo. Okay? So, once again, my name is Mark. Thank you for watching this video and God bless everyone.